Hey everyone, welcome to April's video on the Greek Street Bridge replacement in Stockport. Got two separate dates on this video. I filmed the first bit just at the very beginning of April when they put the road closures in place, and the later part of the video was filmed later on in April when the work had actually started during the Easter holidays. So I just stood on Castle Street. This is where the road has been blocked off by the temporary fencing while the work's taking place. It's going down towards the bottom end of Mercian Way. This is at the junction of Booth Street. So as you can see here, the road's closed behind me, looking down towards the football ground there. See behind, road's completely blocked off. So I'll send the drone up and I'll quick look from above. So a quick walk round the pedestrian diversion to Shaw Heath and send the drone up from near the station entrance. Now on Greek Street outside of the Armoury pub. So you can see here it's completely blocked off. Is on the other side of the roundabout. Quick walk back round the pedestrian diversion around the back of the Army Place, which will bring us back over the footbridge, back down towards Shaw Heath. Now this next part here was filmed over the Easter holidays and actually got possession of the railway. So you can see it's quite a bit going on at the moment. They've started ripping up the actual road surface. Quite a lot of infrastructure going on around there. Noticed also on the railway, I couldn't get a decent shot of it with the drone, but there was work actually going on the railway as well. As you can see on here, the site compound for Murphy's in full flow now. Quite a few locomotives and traction parked up in these sidings. I'm assuming it's because the railway was actually under possession. So we'll keep an eye on the project. If you can like, subscribe and share, and I really appreciate it, and I'll see you again next time. Thanks everyone.